Drug trafficking charges in Florida are some of the most serious charges a person can face. They come with mandatory minimum prison sentences, heavy fines, and lifelong consequences, even if you never intended to sell anything. I'm Drew McCulloch, criminal defense attorney here in Tampa, and I want to explain to you exactly what happens in these cases and how we protect your rights from the very beginning. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that trafficking means dealing in drugs. In Florida, that's simply not true. Trafficking is based almost entirely on the weight, not the intent. That means someone can face a trafficking charge simply for possessing a certain amount of a controlled substance, even if they never tried to sell it. People are shocked when they learn this because many trafficking charges begin with nothing more than a simple traffic stop or a routine encounter with law enforcement. When officers think trafficking might be involved, they move quickly. They ask questions designed to get you talking. They make you feel like cooperating will help you. They pressure you to explain where something came from or who else was involved. And this is where many people make the biggest mistake. They talk, they explain, they try to clear things up, and unfortunately, every word they say becomes evidence against them. That's why the first thing you need to do is simple. Do not answer questions. When I step into a drug trafficking case, my job is to examine every single thing that law enforcement did. Was the stop legal? Did they have the right to search your car? Was the warrant valid? Did officers rely on an unreliable informant? Were the drugs weighed correctly? Was the substance even tested? These questions matter because one mistake by law enforcement can completely change the outcome of your case. I also move quickly to gather evidence before it disappears. Dash camera evidence, body camera footage, witness statements, location data, and anything else that helps us understand exactly what happened. A surprising number of trafficking cases are much weaker than they look on paper. Illegal searches, mishandled evidence, and unreliable testing happen far more than most people think. This is not a charge you want to face alone. The earlier I get involved, the more options we have to negotiate, to challenge the case, and to fight for a full dismissal. If you're being investigated or charged with drug trafficking in Tampa, call us right away. I will step in immediately to protect your rights and help take control of the situation before it gets worse.